Okay, so today we're going to make a weapon kind of thing. And I want to be able to make different weapons and make them have different attributes to change how they react and fire. And then we'll kind of just play around with that and see where it goes. So just gotta get this set up real quick. Um, oh, just gonna move these things, and then um, just gonna rename this sketch. Oh, gosh dang it. Okay. Sketch.js, then in my index. Save it, and then we're going to open it up, tab. Alright, so now we can get started. For now, we're just going to create a canvas. By the width and the height, and have a background of black for now. Alright, so now let's make a new file called we'll just call it gun.js, and we'll have to link this. And here it's just going to be the gun, and then we're going to do something. We're going to try something a little different because I want to see if I can get this to work. So what else? We're also going to need another file, and then we're going to call it gun prefabs.js. And in this, we're going to create a bunch of like prefabs for weapons and guns. So let's just make we'll just call it normal for now. And inside of here, we'll put all of our attributes. So we'll say mag size, say 10, total bullets equals 100. Reload time if we want to add that. And we'll do this in frames. So we'll say 20 frames. And then, so we'll keep it to that for now. If we want to add anything else, we can just add it in there and then accommodate it for the script. So we're going to pass in a type, like the gun type, and we're going to say var gun, and then gun. Oh, hold on. Sorry. Gun equals new gun type, and then whatever this is for now. So it's normal. So know that that's going to pass in these attributes. So now we'll be able to access them in here. So we're going to say this dot, we'll just call it props. So it's properties is its type. So then we'll be able to access them wherever we need. So then let's make a background 0. Let's make a function for mouse down. I think that's what it is. We'll just have a log that. See, what did we do wrong? Normal is not defined. Okay. I think I need to say var. No. Okay. Normal is not defined, sketch number 2. Is that what it's? What? So, okay, so normal is not defined. Sketch number 2, normal is not defined. What the heck? So, are we passing it in? Yeah. No, we don't need this. Oh, wait. Sketch. Well, if we do, yeah, let's just take out that. What if we go with that? Okay. Oh, okay. Maybe, do we need to say... Maybe. Selected equals weapons 0. Weapons is not defined, so that means it's not loading into... Okay. I don't care what this says. Nope. Same thing. Okay. Really wish this would work. Did I type in the file name wrong? Probably. Oh yeah, I love when that happens. Oh my gosh. Why does this have to happen? Okay, so that was probably like 5 minutes. That should not have been spent. Sorry. So now that we know that works, we're just going to say there. So we can pass in the normal attribute, and it'll say, okay, this is going to be a normal gun. And we'll see that's what the gun is, or that's what the properties of the gun. Hold on. Mouse pressed. Okay. That's close. There we go. So now that we have that, we need to say, so we need to make a new function for the gun. We'll just call it fire. And this will be started when the mouse is pressed. So we'll say gun.fire. Man. Okay, so now, for now we're not going to have any time between the shots. We're just going to get it to fire. And hopefully we can see if that works. Oh, we need a, okay. Let's just make another folder, or file. No. Call it bullet.js. And this time, we're not going to spell it wrong. We're going to put it in there. We're going to say bullet.js. Very important. Function bullet. And then we're going to yeah, we want to pass in the bullet properties, so we'll say, just pass in props, and then we'll say bullet props. I think that's how you do it. We'll say vertical speed. We'll just say 1, -1, and no, okay. I'm a terrible speller, by the way. I could probably just pass this as speed. Oh, I'm sorry. I can spell it. We'll send this as a tuple, or whatever it's called in JavaScript. -1 and 10. 20 probably. Sorry. 20, -1. And then damage. If we want to go there, we could say 10. So now in our guns, when we say fire, we're going to say let's go back to the bullets. Sorry. We're going to say this dot bullets equals empty array. We're going to say this dot bullets dot push new bullet, and then we're going to pass this dot props dot bullet props. So then we're going to be passing the bullet prefab into the bullet, so it's going to already know what to do. So we say this dot props equals props. Then we're going to need to create a little physics for it. So we're going to say prototype bullet update show and apply force. Then we'll pass the force in. So then we also need this dot pause equals create vector. This dot pause. No, this dot vel. We're going to create a velocity. Create vector 0, 0. And then this dot a acceleration. Create vector 0, 0. We can actually just put in the bullet speed we already have. So this dot props dot speed. I think I have to pass it. Actually, let's just try this out. And then we're going to say update. So push pop stroke 255. So white. Stroke weight 2. Point. This dot pause dot x. This pause dot y. So this will just create the bullet itself. Oh. Put that in the show. There we go. Update, we're going to say this dot vel dot add this dot a. So we're going to add the acceleration to the velocity. Then we're going to add the velocity to the position. Then we're going to clear the acceleration. Just going to multiply by 0. Then we need to, for the apply the force, we're just going to say this dot a dot add f. That's easy. So now we need a function to update the bullets. So we're just going to say so update for var I equals 0, I is less than this dot bullets dot length I plus plus var okay. So now we're going to say bullet dot apply force gravity, then we're going to define gravity, so var gravity, then gravity equals create vector 0, 0.5 for now. Then we're going to say bullet dot update bullet dot show. So now if we go back and test it, this might be the problem. Oh, hold on. So first of all, we need to create it at the mouse. So we're just gonna say mouse X, mouse Y. Next thing that might be the problem. I'm gonna check the props. So this dot log, this dot. Okay, yeah. So that's the problem. So the gun prefabs, it's only passing one of the things for the speed, but we need both. Bullet props. Okay, we might have to pass this in as a list instead of a tuple, or whatever it's called. Okay, whatever. Alright, so there we go. So now, it's passing it correctly. Let's try that. And then, oh, nothing's telling the gun to update. Duh. Gun dot update. So gun dot update, gun dot fire. It's updating those stuff. What? Oh, okay. Okay, we're just gonna make it so there's some waiting time. There we go. Oh, look at that. No. Okay. So, where's the bullet? That's the question. What if we make this just giant? Didn't think so. Oh, what the heck? Try this, I guess? Actually, okay, let's just say Okay, and then no, okay. So I'm just gonna try to see if this is working here. I want to know if this is working at all, really. Bullets is not defined. Sketch 10. Bullet. Okay, so why don't I see a bullet? Oh my gosh. Bullet. I don't even know. Oh, I'm so done with this. Okay, so that works now. Now that works now. Now everything's just like, alright, let's work now. So we can also probably get rid of that too. Okay, so now we'll have, then let's add some alpha to the background just to make it look a little cooler. There we go. Then let's speed up the bullets. Go in the gun prefab. Just speed those up. It's like 45 maybe. And then instead of having a frame count that slows this down, let's just make it a thing in the prefab. So we'll say wait time. We'll set that to 2. So then in the gun, we'll say, oh gosh, okay, this is probably not the best way to do it, but who cares? So we're going to say var new frame time equals last check time equals we'll just define it. No, these need to go up here. Okay, so we're just going to set a little like cooldown thing. So we're going to say if this dot last checked time minus this dot new frame time is greater than, no, that needs to be swapped. The new time is greater than or equal to this dot props dot wait time, or if we haven't even set this dot last checked. Then after that, we're going to say this dot last check time equals this dot new frame time. It's probably a lot that unnecessary, but it's alright. So wait, I think if we turn down the alpha, it'll work a bit better. Nope, I still do not like how that is. Okay, so I'm just going to turn down the speed, turn down the gravity. There we go. Okay, so I just want it to look a little better. Then we'll set it to 30. That's fine, that's fine. So now, set that to 10. Ooh, wrong thing. Let's set the wait time to 10. If we try to spam it, we won't be able to. If we set it to 1, we should be able to spam it. So there we go. And whatever's logging that, we should take that out. There it is. So now let's add a little UI to it. We'll go into the sketch. We're going to say draw UI. And we're going to have some variables that we need to add to the gun. We're going to say this dot we need bullets in mag equals this dot props dot mag size, and this dot total bullets equals this dot props dot total bullets. So with that, we'll be able to add a UI kind of thing. Oh gosh, okay. So we need to say this dot bullets in mag minus minus. So we need to get rid of 1. And then instead of our sketch, let's just say let's set this to gun dot bullets in mag. I might need to do something else to that, but plus gun dot bullets, total bullets. Then we're going to say text align center, text size 36, fill 255, no stroke, and text display 200 height minus 200. And then we're going to say draw UI. So, alright, so that's a bit much. 75 maybe? There we go. So see, now we get bullets, but now it's going under, so that's not good. So we're going to say, inside the gun, we're going to say if this dot bullets in mag is less than or equal to 0. So if that's not true, oh gosh, we can continue on shooting. So now we can't shoot anymore, and let's make a reload kind of thing. So we say function key pressed if key code equals, and then I have a handy website here. We'll make it R, so 82, then gun.reload. So then we need to make a new function, call it like prototype gun reload. Then we need to make a new variable called this.reloading. And we'll add this to, and we're not reloading. So first thing we need to do in the function is say this.reloading equals true. And then we need to say we need to alright, so for now we'll just say set timeout. I think that's what it is. No, I don't know if we can do that. Just for now, we're gonna try that. We're just gonna do this. So, and then after that, should continue running. So we're gonna say this dot loading equals false, and then we need to say this dot total bullets. Okay, wait. Var bullets needed equals this dot bullets in mag. Actually, no, this dot props dot mag size minus this dot bullets in mag. So we're gonna get that number, and we're gonna say this dot total minus equals bullets needed, and this dot bullets in mag is equal to plus equal bullets needed. So we'll see how this works. Alright, so that's working alright. I don't think that's doing anything. That's fine. So what we need to do is we need to say, do we have an update function? Yeah. So we're going to say, we need to get a variable for this time, for the reload start, and we're going to say this dot reload start equals frame count. Then we're going to take out all this for now. Well, actually, no. And the update, we're going to say if this dot, no, if this frame count minus this dot reload start is greater than or equal to this props dot reload time. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. If that's true, we're going to do all this. So let's set the reload time to, okay, that's fine. So you'll see there's a delay, so I'm gonna click it now. Oh, okay, that's a problem. Oh, and then once that's done, we're gonna say this dot reload start equals. Nope. So if no, and this dot reloading. There we go. So now I'm gonna click it now. It will have a little delay, and we could change that depending on this value. So last thing, and you can add a ton more to this. This is just like really simple. You can add different weapons. I think I'm just going to make one more to show you how to do it. Just say const. We'll name it like sniper maybe. We're going to say mag size 4. Total bullets 16. Oh, then we need to do one more thing. Reload time 50. Wait time 25. Bullet props speed 45. And we don't really need damage, but we'll add it in anyways for if you want to add that to it. And because now that the damage is part of the sniper, or the sniper's bullet, you can, it's actually really easy to add in if you want to add targets. So let's, oh, yeah, we need to do this last thing. So if we're reloading, and then we need to say this. if bullets needed is greater than this dot, or yeah, this dot total bullets needed equals this dot total bullets. So if we're out of bullets, just set it to the number we have left, and we can test this. Let's say we have 30. So let's shoot these. There we go. So if I don't have enough, it's not going to give me any more. I'm just all out. So now let's add in the sniper. So let's say, and you can make kind of like a hotbar, but for now, let's just type in sniper, and we'll have a whole new gun that we can use. So that's how you make your own like prefabs. You can add more attributes. Maybe you want to add like a burst or anything like that. But thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.